Hello everyone, welcome to my channel PcTech. Today I will show you how to change your Windows desktop looks awesome like this. Only with some simple steps you can easily change your desktop looks better. Okay, let's go. The first of all, you download file I put in the description below. In this file have one lively wallpaper below and a skin folder. After download your exact file. Okay, in folder have a lively wallpaper and skin. Okay, so let's go to WinStore. And find app TransclutentTB. You install this app, it will make your start bar become transparent. You open it, as you can see, your start bar looks transparent now. You click continue. In system change, this is TransclutentTB. You right click and go to desktop. Some mode in here, clear is transparent. You can choose other. Okay, next app is lively wallpaper. You also install it. You open it. This is a Windows software. This app will make lively wallpaper background. In here, you click Add Wallpaper. You borrow to folder lively wallpaper and skin you download in description below. You choose lively wallpaper below and click OK. Okay, now we have a new background with lively wallpaper. Let's download Rainmeter. Download. Now we install it. You right click and unload skin. This is basic skin from Rainmeter. Go to system change, you open Rainmeter. In here, you right click in this folder and open folder. Go back skin folder. You open folder and the skin. You download in my description. Open skin. You copy on folder in this. And paste in here. Okay. Now you go back to Rainmeter and refresh on. As you can see, software updates on skin in this folder. Now we load on skin to the desktop. First is called 2. You expand it. In here, you load all items you list to desktop. Example is load Chrome. You expand Chrome, right click and load. And you can see. After that, you in position. You select on desktop. Continue with other. I select X. And this PC. Okay. I think 3 software I list to load to desktop. Select the elementary. You expand it. Expand all load. Right click. Load. This clock. Position on desktop. Close your paste, right click, lost. Okay. Position on desktop. Vector, test, lost. Position on desktop. This bubble. You expand and select bar extract, lost. Now you can see Visualizer because I last just play any music. Okay, weather. You expand it, select weather desktop and lost on desktop. Just on desktop. Okay. Now I will play one music. Okay, now we will run on screen in this desktop. First, you right click and view, unstick show desktop icon. Okay, now you will you can run on screen in this desktop as you want. With me, this is okay. I will show you about weather screen. You go to Rainmeter and expand weather desk API. Expand setting, right click, node. You click to this icon to go to website map correct. In here, you type your location. Select it. Enter. This website will update latitude and longitude about your location. You copy it. Go back, paste in here, enter, next, copy, paste in here, enter. Actually, you can show 3-day or 6-day weather, like this. I select current day. You can show or hide delay by this. Change slide value in here. You input number, example 2, answer. And you can see it's bigger. I think 1 is okay. Okay. It's about weather. Let's see this bubble. You expand it. I play this music again. You can select all the time about gray, like this. Lost. 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 If you select all the gray, you should remember select positions on desktop. I think but it just is okay, like this. To change setup order inside, you expand setting and notes. In here, you input number to change setting about this way. This is about this bubble. So I think it's okay. One more thing. You right click and unspin on. about three icons. You go to setting, personal, start bar, and off. Okay, well done. I already showed you how to change desktop looks at some with Lively Wallpaper. If you see my video and this support useful for you, please like video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.